So as the holiday is upon us, Christmas time is coming, all of us is going to try to get a Christmas tree. Some of us get a real one, some of us get an artificial one. But there's so much different type of Christmas tree and choice, and you just don't know which one you want because it could be a lot to look at. So today we're going to open up this box and we're going to take a look at this one and see if this is a Christmas tree that you might be interested. This is a Christmas tree that has lights already on it, so that is one big plus. So that makes sense because then we don't have to go and buy separate lights and then wrap it around and take it out and stuff like. So let's open up and see how this Christmas tree is. So if you wonder why everything is pink, we're in my daughter's room. She wants a Christmas tree in her bedroom. Why not? All right, let's open up and see how this looks. So what's in the box is we have a pair of gloves and we have the plug-in part and look like the instruction. We got the base right here and we got the Christmas tree, and this is metal. There's three parts that came inside for the Christmas tree. We have A, B, and C. So that's easy. All you have to do is just remove this part and put everything together. And then the base right here. The base, it's a really good metal quality. If you're going to get really good metal quality, this would last for a long time, better than cheap plastic, actually. We're going to go A at the bottom, and then we got B, and then we got C. So three little steps and done. We just put down A right there, and you can see it just automatically come down by itself. Just throw on B right now on the top, and what you have to do is just match these stuff and you just screw and plug them on easy. That's just it right now. I have to open up everything, just pull everything down and just fluff it up a little bit. We'll gotta loosen up it a little bit more, open it up wider, but you could see how beautiful it is. It's 6 feet in height. It's PVC branch, but realistic looking, like real tree. No smell, no mess, no drying up. And you don't have to buy lights because we have the lights, and I'm gonna plug it in to show you the lights. The lights have many different type of mode. Press this button every time we want to change the mode setting. So that's setting 1 right there. Look how beautiful this tree is. Oh man, I didn't even finish opening it up yet and it looks so gorgeous. But see how it's like slow blinking, flashing lights, really slow, and the lights are really good quality. Whoa, look at that. Press another one. That looks like it's steady. A little bit more faster flashing. That is just gorgeous. Beautiful tree. They really did a good job with this. The good thing about it is if you like push it upward, it will stay there. If you move it to the side, it stays wherever you put it. So it's nice. The only thing, it takes a while, like every tree, you have to open it out. Overall, it's a really nice Christmas tree. Later on, we're going to put some decoration on it and we're going to hang stuff up, and I'll show you guys a following up video on this when we start hanging some stuff in it. The branch is very sturdy, so you could actually hang stuff and you could put a star all the way up here. They got a nice cut. And what another thing we're gonna tell you, because since it's 3 section, you could always like turn it to put some stuff in it and then turn it back, so you don't have to like walk around to the back or anything. This whole thing just turn easily when you want to just do 2 hands. It's a really nice, beautiful Christmas tree. I gotta tell you, it was easy to put together. And I just gotta open it up a little bit more. It only takes, that's the only thing. It takes a little bit of time to just open up, but it's like every tree that you buy, even the real ones, you still have to open them up fully. This year we're gonna put some decoration coming up soon, and I'll do update shorts video so you guys can see how all the decoration is going on it. For price and details, check in the description box. Really thumbs up tree. It's very colorful. It's very bright. The light is pretty good, and I gotta tell you, I love how they send the lights inside. So back in the days, we have to buy like the lights and then do it. This year the lights is built, wrapped around. They secure the lights pretty decent on it, so that was a big plus, I think. The price is not bad, affordable for the quality. You cannot go wrong. Overall, I give this a thumbs up, and Christmas time, we love our Christmas tree. All right, thank you so much for watching Product Zone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.